I had something else planned to do today. However, when I got outside, I saw this one planter that was like just struggling and only had one plant. The rest was dying. And so I decided, I don't know, I'm just going to do a fairy garden because my daughter gave me a couple years back on Mother's Day this fairy garden kit, and I've never used it, and it's been sitting around in the yard somewhere in a drawer, and I found it. And so I decided, you know what, I'll just get distracted this morning. I'm not even going to stress out about it. So I went out there and I redid this whole planter of a fairy garden. And it's really easy. It's just like you're just gonna put rocks and, just make a theme or something. I mean, depending on what you have, it really depends on what you have. And I had like little tiny animals, and I had extra Echeverias and all kinds of Haworthias and stuff. So just the tiniest of plants, but you have to have one focal point, which is this Pachyphytum that I put just in the back there so that it could have a little bit of height. But this is what I came up with, guys. It's real easy. Oh my gosh, it's real easy. And I just used some leftover rocks, just put it all together in a theme, and this is what I came up with. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much. Please share, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys later. XOXO. Watch out for the next video coming soon.